proteins linked to cancer can start appearing in people's blood more than 7 years before they are diagnosed. In the future, it's possible doctors could use these early warning signs to find and treat cancer much earlier than they are able to today. Study identifies 618 proteins linked to 19 types of cancer, which could lead to much earlier detection. Proteins in the blood could warn people of cancer more than 7 years before it is diagnosed. Scientists at the University of Oxford studied blood samples from more than 44,000 people in the UK biobank, including over 4,900 people who subsequently had a cancer diagnosis. Researchers compared the proteins of people who did and did not go on to be diagnosed with cancer and identified 618 proteins linked to 19 types of cancer, including colon, lung, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, and liver. The study, funded by Cancer Research UK and published in Nature Communications, also found 107 proteins associated with cancers diagnosed more than 7 years after the patient's blood sample was collected, and 182 proteins that were strongly associated with a cancer diagnosis within 3 years. Researchers concluded that some of these proteins could be used to detect cancer much earlier and potentially provide new treatment options, though further research was needed. A second linked study looking at genetic data from more than 300,000 cancer cases found 40 proteins in the blood that influence someone's risk of getting 9 types of cancer. While altering these proteins may increase or decrease the chances of someone developing cancer, in some cases, this could lead to unintended side effects. The data are impressive. Finding evidence of cancer before it has manifested itself clinically provides a critical window of opportunity to treat with a greater chance for success, or even more importantly, to achieve the holy grail of preventing cancer before it can even occur. These findings were another step towards identifying markers of increased cancer risk, as well as those aiding early cancer diagnosis. Determining protein changes that precede the development of cancer is not only important in identifying high-risk individuals, but could also provide insights into factors responsible for causing cancer. This study suggests that these proteins could be involved at the very earliest stages of cancer. Intercepting them could give us a way to stop the disease developing altogether. This research brings us closer to being able to prevent cancer with targeted drugs, once thought impossible, but now much more attainable. For now, though, there is need to do further research. Scientists want to find out more about the roles these proteins play in cancer development, how to use tests to spot the most important ones, and which drugs we can use to stop them driving cancer. To be able to prevent cancer, we need to understand the factors driving the earliest stages of its development. These studies are important because they provide many new clues about the causes and biology of multiple cancers, including insights into what's happening years before a cancer is diagnosed. We now have technology that can look at thousands of proteins across thousands of cancer cases, identifying which proteins have a role in the development of specific cancers and which might have effects that are common to multiple cancer types. Preventing cancer means looking out for the earliest warning signs of the disease. That means intensive, painstaking research to find the molecular signals we should pay closest attention to. Discoveries from this research are the crucial first step towards offering preventive therapies, which is the ultimate route for giving people longer, better lives, free from the fear of cancer. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed our videos, subscribe to our channel for there's more to come.